morning. My name is Charity, a Filipina here in America, and welcome to my channel. Well, last weekend I went shopping with my Filipina friends. Yes, we went to um, Rosedale Mall. Yes, we went there, and it's been a while that I went shopping with them, and then I decided that I will buy Michael Kors, yes, a reward for myself. Yes, friends, I've been working really hard for this past few years, and I said that, okay, Charity, you need to reward yourself for the job well done. Like, you know, self-love is very important, not just for women, but for everyone. We need to treat ourselves of something like, shopping or um, eating with you in your favorite restaurant, or spend time with your family members, or um, give yourself a treat or a reward or a gift, or maybe you need a treatment like a salon treatment, or for your nails, or for your toenails, or for your hair, something that makes you feel like you're very important. You are what is that you are loved, that you are taken care of. So I told myself, like, I need that self-love. So I bought myself, well, I told my friends that I'm looking for any Michael Kors. Like, if you found a Michael Kors bag, or Michael Kors shoes, or anything, as long as it's Michael Kors, because I was not craving, but I told my friends about it when I went shopping with them. And then this Michael Kors that I will show you is, I personally didn't find this item. It's my friend. She found this item for me, and she said, like, hey Charity, this is your this will this is the thing that you will like. And she showed it to me, and I said, oh yeah, I love it. Like, well, I will just show it to you, friends, what I got for myself, or a treat for myself. So I will show you first the Michael Kors. Yes, um, we went to Rosedale Mall, but then in that mall there's many establishment inside that mall. So there's Macy's, there's Jessie Penney, there's Forever 21, name it. There's many establishment or stall inside that store. So the first item that I got, for myself, is this Michael Kors. I got this at Macy's. Yes, I got this at Macy's store. And then this is what I've got, friends. Michael Kors. It's not a purse, but it's not a jewelry or Michael Kors. But then it is a sandal or a shoe. Yes, this is it. I so love this, friends. Yes, I so love this. It fits perfectly. It really fits perfectly. My friends found this, and it's size 5. She said, Charity, this is your size and this is your style, and it's Michael Kors, so grab it. And then I said, when I tried, it's like, oh my gosh, I will get this item, and I did. And then this sandal, it is Michael Kors Ridley sandal. It said here, Michael Kors Ridley sandal. And the size of this one is size 5. Yes, friends, I'm size 5. And then the color for this one is rose gold, and rose pink, I mean. Rose pink, I mean. So this is the color, rose pink, and size 5. and it's a Ridley sandal, Michael Kors Ridley sandal. And friends, I so love it. I so love it. You know why, friends? It is very comfy. Yes, it's very sporty, very casual, and friends, it looks really durable, very sturdy. Yes, very sturdy, very durable, and I love the, what is that, the material in here. There's their brand name, MK, like Michael Kors, and the strap for this one is adjustable, friends. It's adjustable, the strap, and the arch area, it has extra pad, so it support your arch area. It's very comfy. It's there's an extra padding in this arch area, and as what I said, it's what is that, strap, ankle strap, and with this strap there's their name logo like MK, MK everywhere in the strap. It's MK, and it's made of rubber. The sole is rubber. So, and I love that thickness of the heel. It's 1-inch heel, so it adds height. Nice, right? Because I'm a petite lady, so it adds height, and it's very durable, friends. And it has their name in the sole, like Michael Kors in here. And also, friends, there's also their name in here, like Michael Kors. So, and also the bottom, friends, the sole, there's also their name, MK, and I love it because they're the traction in this area. I also love it, friends. It really looks durable. It's sturdy. It's very comfy and very sporty. I can wear this with anything, with bodycon dresses, with denim, with everything and anything. It matches. But then I know fall and winter is coming, so I need to wear it what is that, quickly and immediately. So yep. And also, friends, you know what, it's also a great deal because I got this on a sale price, friends. Yes, it's on sale, and the original price for this one is $125, friends. Yeah, I know, it's $125 because it's a well-known brand. It's Michael Kors. But then, friends, I really had a good deal with this one because I only got this for only $60. Yes, $60 in at Macy's. Here it is. From $125 to $60. So I save a lot of money for this Michael Kors Ridley sandal, and I love it, friends. I do love it a lot. It fits perfectly and true to size. It's very true to size. So I love it. It's very comfy. The important thing for you know, for sure, it's you're comfortable with it. You know, doesn't hurt, no pain at all. Like, you know, it's very comfy. So yep. So this is it, the Michael Kors Ridley sandal that I bought for myself, or gift for myself, or treat for myself. So I'm so happy with this item. So I bought also not just, you know, shoes for myself, but also I stopped by at Forever 21, friends. Yes, I stopped by at Forever 21, and I got two items. Yes, I got this spaghetti cami top. It's pink color and the yellow one. I bought two cami spaghetti top. I love it, friends. I so love it. And the original price for this one is $3.99. Yes, $3.99. But then there was a promo at that time. Like if you buy two, it will be like $2.50 each. So from $3.99, if you buy two for this cami top, spaghetti cami top, it will be $2.50 each. So I paid $5 for these two cami top, the yellow and the pink one, and I love it, friends. It's very comfy, and I love the strap. As you can see it, the strap is adjustable and thin. I love thin and adjustable strap. And also, you know why I love, if you watching my videos before, I've been saying that I love Forever 21, so that's why I stopped there. So then the last item that I will show you, yes, the last item that I will show you, um, these are, as I've been telling you, these are the gifts for myself. So I'm a fan of sterling silver, yes, and I love sterling silver that match like earrings and necklace. It's pair already. I want that, jewelry, a pair of jewelry already, so that it's just easy to put it, like it's easy to wear it, like, because I love like earrings and necklace, like they are match. I love it, that kind of thing, that matchy like matching, so that I will not be having a hard time to look for a pair of earrings to match with my necklace. I want it like it's match already. So I stopped by at JCPenney. Yes, I stopped by at JCPenney, and then I found this itsy bitsy brand of sterling silver. And friends, the original price for this one is $70, but then I got this on sale, friends. Yes, I love sale items. Well, as I've been telling you, I always go first. If I go shopping, I always go first to the clearance aisle. So this is it. It's I think this is shoe horse. I mean horseshoe. I'm sorry. This is a horseshoe. So I love it. Meaning horseshoe, friends. It's a lucky sign. It's a lucky pendant, or it means like, lucky. So this is what I got. It's a shoe horseshoe. I mean, so it has a necklace and earrings. And the price for this one, friends, well, from $70 to $10.49. So yes, friends, I got this for $10.49 for this pair of earrings and necklace. So I love it, friends. So friends, these are the things that I got at the Rosedale Mall. Yeah, I stopped by at Macy's, Forever 21, JCPenney, and yeah, these items made me happy. Yeah, they made me happy for some reason. And I've been working really hard. As I've been saying, I've been working really hard for this past few years, and then I said like, yeah, I need to treat myself. I need to buy something for myself. So this is it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, friends, and have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.